guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn, and thank you guys for tuning in today. I'm going to take you guys along with me while I make a candle holder, a vase, I don't know, whatever you want to put in it, candles, flowers, whatever your choice. But basically I'm going to be designing this and turning it into something pretty cool. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do it, and I think it's going to be a pretty fun project too. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm using. This roll, little jewels on it, bedazzled looking thing. And of course the glass. Glue. Glitter. Some blue glitter. Because I think I'm going to make it where it's got like the drippy effect. So yeah, I'm using blue color. Those little beads, floral beads is what they're called. And last but not least, flower lights. I thought these were cute. So this would be just a little bit of color to offset it, to make it pop. And of course some scissors. So before we get into the video, I need you guys to remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell like always. That way you know when I'm posting videos for you guys. Alright, so let's get into it. So first, we're going to be taking this, we're going to measure around the glass. I'm going to be putting this, I think I'm going to put this at the bottom. So I'm going to measure around the glass. Then we're going to cut. So I got this piece of paper here, pour some glue on it. And I'm going to be using a wider brush, a wider paint brush, so that allows me to get to the glue a little bit easier rather than getting it out of the bottom. And so I'm just going to basically brush it along the edge of the glass. Okay. So basically I'm just going to lay that on there. Like so. And just start wrapping it around. Just trying to slide off of here a little bit, you guys. And just hold it on there for a little bit. Probably could even use a dryer, a hair dryer or something, because it's actually not wanting to stay. It's not wanting to stick. Just when you thought you had it right, just when you thought it would work, it's not. It's so quiet in here, y'all. My kids, they're off playing in their rooms, and I got some quiet time for a minute. Don't know how long that's gonna last, but hey, I'm gonna take advantage. Take advantage. Okay guys, so this is what it'll look like. Alright, and so from there, I put some glue on a piece of paper. Got my paintbrush. Not real big. This is what I'm going to use to make like the drippy effect. The dripping effect. And I'm gonna start at the top and just work my way down. And y'all, when I'm working, I just get in the zone. I get so quiet and don't talk. But I gotta remember, I can't do that. I got people watching me. I'm on film. So yeah, it's starting to look like this, where it just kind of gives that effect. Y'all, this takes me back to being a kid in art class. Art was my favorite subject. I love art. I love art class. It could be so creative. And playing in glitter, hey, that's always fun to me. I know I sound like a big kid, but hey, it's all good. We're all big kids at heart. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. And what I'm gonna do from there now is get my glitter. And I'm just gonna tap. Got a spot trying to act funny on me. Okay. So I'm gonna get glitter and just start tapping it on there. And just kind of roll the cups around while you're doing it. And of course the glitter is gonna get everywhere. It's gonna get everywhere. But I got this piece of paper under me, so when I'm done with it, I'm just gonna put the glitter back in the bottle. I'm about folding this paper up so that way I don't waste all this glitter. This precious, precious glitter. And then you can go back through, and if you see any spots that you want to fill in with glue again, go ahead, feel free. See y'all, look at all this glitter. Look at all that glitter. I'm just gonna fold the paper up like that, like so, and put it right back in this bottle. Slowly and easy. Yeah, so. That's what it's looking like, again, so far. And I'm gonna go back through and kind of touch up some of the areas that I feel like they look funny. Okay, so now that I have that part done, I'm gonna go back in and start filling in up through here. Make it easier. And this glue wants to try to start drying on you pretty quick. So I'm just gonna do a little bit and then I'm gonna start to add the glitter so that it don't dry out on me. Ooh, it's a glitter party over here. Look at this. I'm loving the color of this, y'all. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the color. I really think this color is really pretty. It's a real cool, relaxing blue. And like I say, you guys can put flowers, candles, whatever you guys want to make of it. I'm telling y'all, this is kind of messy, but it's going to be worth it in the end. It's really going to be pretty. And I am almost done. with the glue part of it. Yeah, I just can't get over how quiet it is in here. Oh, it sounds funny. I'm not used to it. All right, so I am gonna go back through and just kind of, let me show you. See how it's still got glitter. I'm just gonna go back through and kind of start wiping that excess glitter off of there. That way you can see the design better. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back with you guys. And see, this is what it looks like. And basically I just, like I said, use my hand to wipe the in-between excess glitter off, and then a piece of wet tissue just to get the extra glitter off from down below here. Okay, so now that that part is done, now we're gonna put the beads in there. I love how these little things look. They just look so satisfying. I don't know, they just look so satisfying. Looks like candy, actually. Like you could eat them. But hey, no, kids watching this, no, you can't eat these. You just pour it in there. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look how that looks. Just pour the whole thing in there, might as well. Oh, okay. That's what we want to do, okay? Had a few runaways. And you guys, I got most of this stuff from Dollar Tree. Very, very affordable. So, and then like I said, I have these pink flower lights, also from Dollar Tree. That just gives that a little bit of pop of color, make it stand out. Let's see what this is going to look like. Yes, y'all. I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. Oh, look. Can you guys see that? It's color changing. Isn't that pretty? Especially at nighttime. And voila, we're just gonna place that down in there. You guys look at that. Pretty, and look, it's making the beads light up too. Very pretty. Like I said, at nighttime, especially, that's really gonna be pretty. You'll be able to see it a lot more. You'll be able to see it a lot better. So yeah, this project only took maybe no less than 10 minutes. Something so simple. So simple and so easy and affordable. I hope you guys like this. I like it. I like it. Alright, you guys don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. And hope everybody has a blessed day and continue watching my channel. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a good one. Peace and God bless. Oh, and look at this, you guys. This is what it looks like in the dark. How pretty is that?